Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm gonna be smiling until I can seal these lips up. I'm so excited to do this Halloween look. So what I have in mind is gonna be really bloody and gutty and gushy, okay? So I decided to like blow up my entire face. Well, it's not gonna be like my entire face, but just like half of my face, probably from here to here. So yeah, y'all like my green nails? My toes are green too. That doesn't matter. Anyway, so yeah, I got a few things. I actually went out and bought a lot of my stuff. Some stuff I already had, but I went out and bought new stuff, like the liquid latex. I actually already had a bottle of this. The liquid latex, you guys, is my best friend. This is what I tend to use every time I do a Halloween look. So I was really excited to pick up some more of this, which cost me $16.99 for this little bottle, 16 ounces. So it's not a lot for $17, but what? So I also got some spirit blood. I also got from the Halloween store. This spirit blood is about the same ounce as the liquid latex, but I needed some more blood because I was running out, and some blood gel, because any little Halloween look that I have going on is pretty much zombie type of look, blood and all that type of good stuff. So I had to pick up some blood gel. It's pretty much gonna be your extra excess, pretty much like extra skin or extra wounds and little stuff like that. So I picked up some blood gel, which is actually gonna be on the thicker side. I picked up some blood spray. This is the like spray. So I had to pick this up because it's a blood splatter. I'm sorry, blood splatter. It gives you a blood splatter effect. So in case something is blown off or anything, this is what you're gonna go to. I had to pick me up some Halloween makeup removing wipes, regular Neutrogena wipes, but we'll see. Eyeliner, you guys. Demon blood. I wanted to get some paint. I didn't really know which direction to go towards like paint. Did I use body? Well, of course I use body paint. But what type of paint do I use? And it looks like this, you guys. And then it comes with your little sponges right here on the end. So you see him? If you want to get this look, this is what you'll go for. I picked me up a stippling sponge. We'll get right into this look because I have a lot in front of me right now that I have to work with. And yeah, so we're going to get right into it. Now this part was pretty difficult because I ended up using some scar wax, which I never really use. I normally just use my latex and tissue, and it would have made it so much more easier to fold down the skin. But as you can see, it was really sticky and muggy, and just it felt so gross, and I just felt like I was just messing it up. So I just was like, whatever. So yeah, I'm using scar wax. I put scar wax around the perimeter of my face. just to kind of make it look like the skin is more folded outward, but I was having a hard time, so I just had to kind of play with it. Fuck it. Just pour all the blood on your face, Kiana. Just saturate everything. Just pour it all on. Guys, like this look. Hope this helped you guys, and hope this doesn't break your pockets either. But I promise, these type of looks that I do, they're never really too hard to do. Yeah, everything I use, I will pin it down below. By the way, my name is Kiana Harvell. This is my YouTube channel. I hope you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.